Hi everybody. So today this is going to be for two lessons. It's talking about measuring and drawing angles, and I want to talk about a protractor. Some of you have seen it before and some of you haven't. I have one here. I know it's hard to see and I kind of tried to draw one. Sometimes they're like bendable and sometimes they're hard. So you might have one of these at home. I know some of you, we had a chance to explore it at school. This one's a little bit, as I get closer, you can see the numbers on there and you can see some of the things I drew on the chart. We have our straight line. This middle dot is going to be really important. And then you're going to notice this is a straight angle, so it's half a circle. So the degrees is 180. So it goes from 0 to 180. And then you'll notice there's little numbers on the inside that go from 0 to 180 back the other way. And we'll talk about the reason we have for that too. There's not much to draw on our chart. Just know that what we use to measure angles is called a protractor. I drew it. It's hard to see it. And you see this one, but we're going, a lot of the websites that we're going to go to, you will have a virtual protractor that we're going to practice using and turning for it. So I'm going to pause the video while I get that up, and then you'll just hear me as I show you how to use the one on the computer, since we all can't have our own protractor in our hands.